So today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your motorcycle chain. You're going to want to use a cleaner that doesn't damage your chain. I like to use Maxim Cleanup Chain Cleaner and Maxim Chain Wax. It's pretty inexpensive, it lasts a long time. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. Also, I use this grunge brush. I got it on Revzilla for about $9. Super useful, and it cleans all three sides of the chain, so that's a really good thing to have as well. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your chain cleaner, make sure your bike's in neutral, it's up on the jack stand, and you're just going to spray this all over the chain. Once you've sprayed the cleaner on, just let it sit for about a minute. Alright, after you've let the cleaner sit for about a minute on the chain, you're going to go ahead and take your brush, just stick it on this side of the chain, and just scrub it all the way around. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and get your hose or any kind of water source, and you're just going to spray the chain down lightly as you spin it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a rag that you don't really care about, and you're just going to grab the chain on all sides and just wipe off all the excess water. Now, as you can see, the chain is super shiny now, super clean, so it's just ready for us to lubricate it. So last, you're going to take your chain lube, and you're just going to spray it sparingly on this back part of the chain. And then you're just going to take your rag again and just wipe off the excess chain lube. And there you have it. Our chain is completely lubed, completely clean. If you have any questions about this process, just leave them in the comment section.